This shit weird. This shit crazy. Right here. So, let's see. This shit crazy. Here we go with this shit. You got your light to your phone, cuz? So I was like, more light. Be careful. It's another way in. That's deep. Look at all this shit.
How many people in here?
Yeah, it is.
We got four-wheelers back here or something.
This look like some Candyman movie shit.
Yeah, over here.
There's a rat. Be careful. There's a rat.
There's a bunch of lights there.
It's like a entry to the woods or something right there too. This is fucking awesome. Another exploration, another explorer coming at you. There's a room over there. There's a building. We can go check that out.
What was this?
This is the old concrete factory.
Okay. Well, when it said that, I was like thinking funeral home. I want no parts.
Welcome home.
Right. Okay. What the hell is that?
What?
Right there. Is that an animal? What is that?
That look like a dead.
Something.
It could be a.
Yeah, I'm probably sitting
I guess walk around.
Okay.
Fortnite now.
No. There's really a toad in here. Oh, something like that.
Yeah, this motherfucker's
Yeah, this is deep right here.
Who is staring about? Oh, my goodness.
You hear all types of shit in here. This is deep. Look at this shit. This forgotten and gone. Got this shit. Yeah, this is some crazy shit. This old TVs and oh shit, you scared the fuck out of me at the door. Like, what the fuck? I ain't see you go outside. Like, what the hell? I'm looking back there. I heard some noise. Like, y'all want to go in the meal? See? Yeah, it's pretty cool little Explorer right here. That's a good little move right here, cuz. So, what we're doing, y'all, for those that don't know, go in here. Yeah.
When y'all walked in there, my head, I started getting sharp pain in my head. That's why I was walking around. Funny, I walked through.
Yeah.
And I started walking in that corner. When you went in that corner, my head really started hurting. So I came back the other way. That room, my head hurt. When I came in the first room, it started lighting up. I don't even have a headache no more. Like, I don't feel no pain since we outside.
So that
I'm
little
dead serious.
that little spot
That's why I was like, I went
fucked
out.
up. Look at this shit. I think it's that we come out here during the day, or is it another way in here? Is that like a tunnel? Don't forget, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I think you gotta go like around. We'll come back like during the day one time.
It's safe down on the ground. You see it?
Hmm.
Doesn't it look like it says something on the ground down there?
Yeah, it does. It's a way in there, but we ain't gotta figure it out tonight. We didn't, unless y'all want to. I don't even know if this is the spot for real, cause I can't see the part where the dude.
And I'm telling you what, my head hurt. You know what? I'm about to go back in there. I just want to see. Like, I know I didn't have no problem When I was working that first room, I just started getting a certain pain, and it just got like more intense the deeper it went into the pain. And I'm about to do it again.
Her crazy ass. She want to go in there to see if she feels something.
Shine that light over there.
So is it the same feeling?
Man, I just had to get out. Like when I first walked in, I heard a noise in the back room, so I stood there for a minute to see if I heard it again, like a raindrop or whatever, a waterfall or whatever. So I'm sitting there, I didn't hear it again. And I heard something else. I walked in a couple feet and was like, yeah, let me get out.
Yeah, she
I'm
said.
not feeling it.
Not feeling that,
I'm
huh?
ready to test that water.
Yeah, that was a nice spot right there.
Yeah. I got a couple more I've been researching. We ain't got to hit them all one time, but you know,
Yeah,
definitely.
we're definitely gonna be getting at them though.
Yeah. Y'all see. Right by the train track, so what a fucked up place to be. Yeah. Y'all see, this is some crazy. Y'all hear the train, right?